Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. For today's video, it will be a helpful video because I see that it's a lot of problem when you make videos on your phone. It's like it goes private. I saw a YouTube video about it, so I decided to make one to help too. So let's get started. So I just picked randomly a video. Let's just name it blah 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 blah, and then upload. Sorry, this is going to take, no, it's not going to take time, but anyways, let's just say please subscribe. Yeah, because I'm helping you with a tutorial. That's a good excuse to why you should subscribe. But if you don't want to, okay, it's okay. But yeah, wait. So now the video is uploaded, but oh wait, my bad. Sorry guys for that. So you see, the video is private. You might be like, oh, why is it private? I'm gonna help you with this. So you want to edit it. You put public. You save it. And it's still private. Well, you have come to the right video. Okay. So you want to go, if you don't have a YouTube Studio, install it because you need YouTube Studio to do this. So now you want to go there, videos, and you click here. To that you click that crayon over here, the crayon, I know you see it at the top. And then now you click at the settings and you see where it says, is this video made for kids? Audience, like yeah. Click not selected. You can choose it. If it's yes for kids, no, it's not for kids. I think I know why they're doing this, YouTube, because it's not like a mobile. There was a problem. They didn't fix the problem of choosing if it was for kids or not. So now it's like you have to do this. Well, my videos, let's see, not for kids. You click save draft. And then you click, wait. And then now, wait, sorry for that. I made mistakes. Yeah, okay, so you see the publish button over here? Click it. I'm not going to click it because I'm not going to publish this video. I'm just doing this for a tutorial. So click the publish button. And when you're going to click it, your video will be like, yeah, it will be public. So that was the tutorial video. Hope it helped you a lot. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.